Welcome to beautiful Anvil Lake. The parcel has the best beach in the north. It offers great privacy and has a terrific entrance. There are two homes on the property. One is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The other is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. The homes offer terrific views of the lake. One has a stone fireplace, and they both offer the classic cabin decor. And here's a look at the bedrooms. The elevation is just perfect, has a very gentle slope to the water's edge. A view from the deck. The parcel faces south, so you will have all day sun. Anvil Lake is 380 acres and has crystal clear water. The lake is located about 10 miles east of Eagle River. It's in the Nicolet National Forest. There is 142 feet of stunning frontage on Anvil Lake and over 9 acres of land. It's the perfect place to build your dream home.